So, to all present about your increase in life on earth for ministry, prophet, people, or whatever. So, ako naman kasi hindi ako mayaman, wala akong pera, wala akong sasakyan, wala akong mansion. Ang akin ay relationship to Christ, for the simplicity, but my attention for my body and all these moralities out is not take. So, it's different record for other world people, rich and selfish, arrogant and all. Kasi hindi naman pwede yung kailangan natin maging best para sa God for working the Bible or what for relationship. Ay, di ba? Kanya-kanya tayong kakayahan. Kasi marami diyan, pastor, ministry, marami silang sasakyan, may mansion, may house, may car, may hotel. Eh, arrogante sila eh, kaya mayroon silang free life or low, pero hindi sila magkakamit ng buhay na walang hanggan. So everybody, you know what about LGBT trans or LGBT straight? Na yung mga trans daw ay hindi nanganganak kahit magpalagay ng mattress. So, I am being half LGBT na hindi naman talaga gawa ang beauty nila. Kasi ako hindi ako nagpa-trans, hindi ako nagpa-transplant. Uh, Ordinary beauties. Kumbaga, lalaki pa ako. Kasi napapanood ko ngayon, pinaglalaban nila yung mga ganong issues. Na yung case daw yung mga babae daw, masyado daw mapanghusga sa mga LGBT na maganda ka nga, wala ka ng mattress. Ang sagot ng LGBT, ikaw, may mattress ka, pero hindi ka maganda. So, great for God, the world is not perfectly to each other to judge and irate. Lahat is not complete. Kasi pag isang kompletong isang taong like rock, abo na like bells of an evil.